If you're considering buying Bitcoin in 2026, this video will save you 10 minutes of research. Today, we're diving into the best apps for purchasing Bitcoin right here in the USA. With the cryptocurrency market continuing to evolve, it's essential to stay informed about the platforms that can help you navigate this space effectively. Currently, Bitcoin is hovering around $30,000 after a recent surge of 15% over the past month. The overall crypto market capitalization has reached approximately $1.3 trillion, showing robust trading activity. Notably, platforms like Coinbase and Cash App have seen an increase in user engagement, with Coinbase reporting over 100 million users and Cash App rapidly growing its crypto services. This matters for U.S. investors because choosing the right platform can significantly impact your investment journey, from fees to user experience. Now, let's break down how a U.S. retail investor would experience these platforms in the coming week. First, consider Coinbase. This app offers a user-friendly interface and a vast selection of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. If you were to invest $1,000 in Bitcoin on Coinbase right now, you'd pay around $15 in fees, which is relatively competitive compared to other platforms. Additionally, Coinbase's secure storage options give peace of mind, especially for first-time investors. In contrast, Cash App also allows you to buy Bitcoin seamlessly. If you were to use Cash App to purchase $500 worth of Bitcoin, you might incur fees around $2 to $3. However, one of the standout features of Cash App is its ability to automatically convert your cash balance into Bitcoin, making it a great option for those looking to invest incrementally. With these fees and features, U.S. investors can strategically choose which app aligns best with their investment goals. Additionally, Kraken is another reliable platform that offers advanced trading tools and lower fees for larger trades. For example, if you were to trade $5,000 worth of Bitcoin on Kraken, your fees could be around $25, making it one of the more cost-effective platforms for significant transactions. When considering alternatives, there are a couple of other noteworthy apps. First, Robinhood allows you to invest in Bitcoin without paying commission fees, making it an attractive option for new investors. However, with Robinhood, you don't have access to your crypto assets. They remain on the platform, which can be a significant drawback for those looking to hold long-term. The lack of true ownership can be a deal breaker for many investors. Another alternative is Gemini, which positions itself as a secure and regulated platform. While it offers robust security features and insurance on digital assets, the trading fees on Gemini can be higher compared to other options. This introduces a trade-off. While security is paramount, higher fees might eat into your investment returns, particularly for smaller trades. So, what can you do this week? Here's an action checklist. 1. Research the top apps. Take some time to explore the features of Coinbase, Cash App, Kraken, and others to find the right fit for you. 2. Compare fees. Calculate the fees on different platforms to understand how they impact your investment. Remember, the lower the fees, the more you keep in your pocket. 3. Start small. If you're new to investing in Bitcoin, consider starting with a smaller amount, like $100, to test the waters on your chosen platform. 4. Set up two-factor authentication. Security is key. Ensure your account has two-factor authentication enabled to protect your investments. 5. Stay informed. Follow market trends and news to make informed decisions. Platforms like CoinMarketCap or Crypto Slate can provide valuable insights. 6. Engage with the community. Join forums or social media groups to connect with other investors and share experiences or strategies. As we wrap up, remember this. The right app to buy Bitcoin can significantly enhance your investing experience. Which platform do you plan to choose and why? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Bill Crypto USA and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.